In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Together Wear splint and tank top. Even though I would love for you to buy my Together Wear splint and tank, my goal is to make wearing the splint much easier for you. The easier it is for you, the more you're going to wear it, the better results you're going to get, and the more fabulous before and after pictures I'm going to get. So here's how you do it. Take your Diastasis Rehab splint and sew 2 pieces of hook Velcro to the inside of the pad on each side. If you're wearing a regular torso, it's going to be 2 inches wide by 8 inches high. If you're wearing a short torso, it'll be 2 inches wide by 6 inches high. Then you need to get 2 pieces of 4 inch by 4 inch square hook Velcro, and those get sewn onto the 2 arms. On a regular torso, it goes on the 2 arms on the right side of the pad because that's the top and the bottom arm. And if you're wearing a short torso, it'll go on each the arms on each side because there's only 2 arms on a short torso splint. Now, where do you sew the 4x4 pieces? It's important to sew it closer to the pad, maybe about 4 or 5 inches from the pad. If you sew it in the middle, then when you stretch it to attach it, it's going to be attaching in the wrong place. So remember, sew it closer to the pad. So that is basically how you convert your Diastasis Rehab splint to a Together Wear splint. Now, when you're buying the Velcro, you want to get a non-scratchy or low-profile Velcro so it doesn't scratch you. Okay? Now, let's talk about the tank top. This tank top that I have made that's loop Velcro is made from nylon and spandex. So when you're shopping for a tank top, it's got to have nylon and spandex so it'll stick. So take a piece of the hook Velcro with you when you go shopping to see if it sticks. And it would also be great if you could get a tank top that's moisture wicked and antimicrobial since you'll be wearing it all the time. So that's basically it. I have another video on how to put the Together Wear splint on the Together Wear tank, and I have another video describing the splint and tank a little bit more. So please watch those, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to email us, and just know I'm here to support you in the process. Thanks.